Okay, back on this little Ford Ranger, putting the heater core in. And I've got the whole dash assembly put back up on there. And there's only 6 big bolts that hold this whole assembly on this truck. There's going to be one right here where this extension is. I'll try to get in there and show it to you. It's kind of up underneath this wiring harness. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I've got the socket on there. And then there's going to be 2 more over there. Of course, all you got to do is take this piece right here off, this little defroster vent that goes across here, this panel, to get access to those bolts. But like I say, 6 bolts. I've already got them all tightened up. Let me take the socket off here. Okay, now here I took the bottom kick panel off. This little piece right here. See if I can get the picture in there. This little kick panel right off of this side. And then you'll be able to get access to this bolt right here. Right there. Okay, we got that one. Got that bolt up there. And okay, while I'm on this side of the truck, let me go ahead and show you why I took the glove box out, so I could get access to this vacuum harness and also this wire right here that goes to the little it controls your air actuator motor. It works your hot and cold door. Just disconnect that harness. Okay, let's see, we got that. So that's why I took the glove box out. I took the, right there is your, this piece, of course, your airbag. And the reason I took it out, the airbag assembly, because that gum thing pretty heavy, so the less you make these dashes weigh, the lighter they are and the easier to pull them out and work on them. But it's nothing to putting that airbag in there. You know, there's your wiring harness right here. You just hook it up to your wire and it slides in there. It just slides in there, and what you got 2 bolts that hold it on. Here's the bracket right there. See this bracket right here? Right here. There's a bracket right there. Okay. And you just, I'm trying to do this with one hand, but it just slides up there, and you just, once it slides up in there, you go up underneath here and then put your 2 bolts down here and bolt it back up. Now let me get back on the other side and I'll show you the rest. Get over here. Alright, back over here on this side. Let me show you these 2 big bolts that hold the whole dash assembly. Here's the 2 big bolts. One right there and one right there. And the only thing I had to do really to get to those 2 was pull the fuse panel out. I mean the little cover, that little bitty old cover over here. And then down here, of course, I took this assembly off, this under panel down here, so I could get to that steering coupler down here. I don't even know if you can see it. You have to crawl up underneath there and hook it up. It's no big deal. Once you get all this hooked up, hook up this brake and hood cables. You know, just get a few things out of your way so you can get to these major bolts. And then let me show, while I'm over here, I'll show you these 2 bolts if we can see them. They're down in here. Here's one of them. I could point it out better with my ratchet. You'll see them once you get this cover off. You can get on over here on the windshield and see them on the other side of the truck. Get on the outside of the truck and look through the windshield, but I've got my socket on there. But I've already tightened all the major bolts that hold this whole dash down. So, you know, it's just, you just gotta take some parts off, some plastic coverings, and just get to those major bolts that hold this assembly on. And once you do the whole assembly, sometimes I'll even pull the steering columns off of them. And the only reason I do it is because of weight. Because these steering columns are pretty heavy by themselves. But I had a helper help me put the dash back up in there, so that I left it on there this time. But it's no big deal pulling that whole steering column out of this truck. It's a little bit of work, but you have to work on it, get her done. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope this helps y'all out locating some of these bolts to get these dash assemblies out so you can get the heater box out and put that new heater core in them. Alright, thanks for watching.